Today's story, What is Kali Yuga? Once Pandavas, except for Yudhishthira, asked Krishna, What is Kali Yuga and what will happen during Kali Yuga? Krishna smiled and said, Let me demonstrate you the situation of Kali Yuga. Krishna took a bow and shot 4 arrows in 4 directions and asked Pandavas to bring them back. Each Pandavas went in different directions to bring those arrows back. When Arjuna picked an arrow, he heard a very sweet voice and turned around to see. He saw a cuckoo not only singing in spellbinding voice, but also eating flesh of a live rabbit who was in pain. Bhima picked arrow where 5 wells were situated. He saw that 4 wells were overflowing with sweet water, and surprisingly the well in the middle of those 4 wells was completely empty. Nakula picked arrow from a place where he saw that cow was about to give birth, and after giving birth, cow started to licking calf to clean him. But even after that, cow continued licking calf. People separated them with great difficulties, and by time, calf was injured badly. Sahadeva picked arrow which fell near a mountain and saw a big boulder falling down hill, crushing rocks and big trees. But same big boulder was stopped by a small plant. All Pandavas were confused and surprised by the events. They saw those places and asked Krishna meaning of those incidents occurring. Krishna smiled and explained, in Kali Yuga, the priest will have very sweet voice, will also have great knowledge, but they will exploit devotees the same way cuckoo was doing with rabbit. In Kali Yuga, poor will live among rich. Those rich will have enormous amount of wealth, which will actually overflow, but they will not offer a single penny to the poor. Same as the 4 wells didn't have a single drop of water for the empty well. In Kali Yuga, parents will love their children so much that their love will actually spoil them and will destroy their lives, similar to the love shown by cow to her newborn calf. And in Kali Yuga, people will fall in terms of character like the boulder from the mountain. They will not be stopped by anyone at the end. Only the name of God. Only the name of God will be able to hold them from doom. Like the little plant held the boulder from the further fall. The 4 things explained by Krishna about Kali Yuga. We have seen these explanation or these situations around us. It is our responsibility that we have to separate us from that situations and get an enlightened knowledge. We will meet again with new story. Thank you very much.